Hello friends, today we discuss about fundamental principle of counting. For this, first we start factorial notation. A product of first n natural number is called factorial n and denoted by ln means factorial n, this is notation of factorial, or n factorial, this is also notation of factorial. Then there are some standard formulas means rules of factorial. First is 0 factorial. 0 factorial is always 1. Then 1 factorial. 1 factorial is also equal to 1. Then 2 factorial. 2 factorial, see our definition. Factorial notation. Factorial is product of first n natural number. So 2 factorial means 2 into 1 means 2. So value of 2 factorial is 2. Then 3 factorial. 3 factorial means product of first 1, 2 and 3. First 3 natural numbers, and we know that product of these 3 numbers is 6. So 3 factorial is 6. Similarly, we can calculate 4 factorial. 4 factorial is product of first 4 natural number. So 4 factorial is 24. Like this, we can calculate product of any n numbers. So n factorial is general formula is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to 3, 2, 1. So this is final answer. N factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, then we start directly fundamental principle of counting. Fundamental principle of counting. If a certain thing can be done in m ways and a second thing can be done in n ways, then the total number of ways in which the two things can be done simultaneously is m into n. So this is fundamental principle of counting. Problem. Suppose in how many ways, take one problem, in how many ways you can put 3 balls, one white, one red and one blue in 2 boxes. So here we have 3 balls and one is white, suppose we write for white W. One is red, so we write suppose R for red, and one blue ball, so blue we write B. We have 2 boxes. Suppose we have these 2 boxes. We have to put these 3 balls in 2 boxes. So for first box we have how many choices? One white, one red and one blue. So we have 3 choices for first box, and we have, so suppose we put one red ball here. So out of remaining 2 balls, one is white and other is blue. Out of these 2 balls we put 1 ball here. So for second boxes we have 2 choices. So total number of ways to put 3 balls in first box and 2 balls, remaining 2 balls in second box is equal to, by our fundamental principle, 3 into 2. Here value of m is 3, value of n is 2, so 3 into 2 is 6. So total number of ways we can put 6 number of ways we can put 3 different balls in 2 boxes. Then we take one problem. This problem was asking UPSC Prelim General Studies paper 2 in 2011. Take this problem. See here, there are 4 routes to travel from city A to city B. There are 4 routes to travel from city A to city B. So suppose this is our city A. Suppose this is our city B. So we are given there are 4 routes to travel from city A to city B. So suppose these are 4 routes. Okay, 4 routes to travel from city A to city B, and 6 routes from city B to city C. Suppose here is our city C, and given there are 6 routes to go from city B to city C. Suppose these are our 6 routes. Okay, how many routes are possible to travel from city A to city C? So they ask how many routes are possible to travel from city A to city C. So for this, we know we have 4 routes to travel from city A to B. Then we have 6 routes to travel from city B to city C. Therefore, here value of n means we go from city A to city B by how many ways? 4 ways. Then value of m means we go from city B to city C by 6 ways. Therefore all possible routes from city A to city C is equal to n. Means 6 into 4. So final answer is A is correct. 24 is correct. Then we take next problem, which was asked in UPSC Prelim GS paper 2 in 2014. With reference to the figure given below, the number of different routes from S to T. Here is our point S and here is our point T. So they ask with reference to the figure, this figure given below, the number of different routes from S to T, means this point to this point, without retracting from U and or V, without retracting from U and or V is. So we have to go from S to T. So you know, first from S to U we have how many routes? This is first route, this is second, and this is third. So we have how many routes from S to U? 3. We have 3 routes from S to U. Then we have 3 routes from U to V, and we have 3 routes from V to T. Correct? We have 3 routes from S to U, 3 routes from U to V, and 3 routes from V to T. So they ask how many number of different routes from S to T without retracting from U and or V is. So these are 3 routes, these are 3 routes, and these are 3 routes. Okay, in this exam this route is not given in this exam, so please correct here. So they give us 3 routes from S to U, 1, 2, 3, 2 routes from U to V, 1 and 2, and 3 routes from V to T, 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 routes from S to U. So we select any one of them by 3 ways. Then there are 2 routes from U to V. So we select any one route from out of these 2. And then we have 3 routes. So we select any one of these 3 routes by 3 factorial, 3 ways. So total number of ways to go S to T is equal to 3 into 2 into 3 means 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 3 is 18. So final answer is 18. Please correct. In this exam, they don't give us this middle line. So there are only 2 routes to go from U to V. Okay.